Look for the silver lining whenever a cloud appears in the blue.
Dr. Mehta, congratulations for the award.
Thank you so much.
So, first reactions and a little bit about your journey.
First reaction was it's like I sat down and I said, really, am I getting this award? Let me pinch myself again. Like, I've been to many places to get an award, but this was special.
And is it because it's the Millennium Award, or is it because
I think everything made a difference. It was the ambience. It was because it was in a place which holds by itself. National Stock Exchange is a place by itself.
Very
Talks about,
aspirational,
yes,
yeah.
absolutely. And it's about things going up and down in life, right? So मुझे ऐसा लगा कि between all the life up and downs, this was amazing that, I'm still getting awards. I'm still going on with it because this is the third award in the first year, this beginning year.
wonderful?
This is the third
wonderful.
award for me.
Congratulations.
Thank
once
you so
again.
much.
What does that mean for you?
It means everything. The reason being, when my son wasn't well and when he came down with congenital issues, I needed to understand that if I had been not a stressful mom, he probably wouldn't have had the problem that he had. So it's something that touches very close to my heart and says, we're working on a disease, but how about working on a prevention? And prevention is about understanding yourself, understanding your emotions, understanding your body. And you know what? You need to deal with what is going on in your life. You can't keep hibernating on it and saying, kal ho jayega, chala jayega, khatam ho jayega. It doesn't do like that. So if you're going to be honest to yourself, you need to tell yourself, hey, you know what? I'm not being authentic here with myself and I need to do something about it. और जल्दी करें क्योंकि नहीं किया तो then there is a problem. So I found that my life, I had to be very authentic, very straightforward with myself. And the places that people don't look, right now, Jammu Kashmir, there's, India is on war. It's just gone into ceasefire at 5 o'clock in the evening. But, the people who are there, people who've been through the terrorism, people who've been through stuff, you can't take that away. Can any medicine clean that up?
No, absolutely not.
So it's about taking care of your mental health. ये हुआ है. How fast can we get them to the mental health in the minute? Because mental health and physical health is directly connected. You think those women who lost their husbands could sit down and have a meal of a feast or something like that after that?
Absolutely.
And that child who's just lost his father can eat after that in the same way that it was before? It's if disease was not connected with these strange events that happen in our life, because life comes without a menu card.
Yes.
It just happens. And the best part of today was I walked in here and my shoe broke. I went out. I got it done by the mochi. I came back again, walked in again, it broke. And then I walked out and I went and bought myself a new pair of shoes and I laughed. I said, time to change your shoes, my dear.
That is so, so powerful.
Yeah. So just like it's time to change my shoes, it's time for you to change your thinking cap and understand life is not just about, what is disease is somewhere where you're not at ease, you're not comfortable with yourself. तो ढूंढो कहाँ कंफर्टेबल नहीं हो उस चीज़ को ठीक करो क्योंकि नहीं करी तो कल तुम्हारी बॉडी तुम्हें ज़रूर बताएगी कि where you are not at ease. So that's what I work about and that's what I do for my living. I believe I see God in it. Thank you.
That is so powerful and so wonderful, Dr. Mehta.
Thank you.
I hope you continue to do this work and you bring a smile on as many faces as possible. And I think a lot of hard work has to be done from us too, because you can only suggest ways and means. People have to believe, people have to accept that they have to make those changes.
It doesn't matter to me whether people believe or not. They believe in life if they want to live life with ease, and that's all it matters. And smiles from outside have no meaning. अगर अंदर से आप खुश हो ना तो आपके पास अगर डिजीज़ भी है तो आप खुशी से काट जाओगे. जैसे मैंने आज जूते के साथ उसका नया मैंने कहा सिंड्रेला शूज़ हैं कि चेंजिंग शूज़ हैं. मतलब चेंजिंग शूज़ हैं.
That really made my day today.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Here's wishing you the very best, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you for listening to this episode of the Between Us podcast. The producer is Santosh Kumar and the associate producer is Samyak Kamble. The Between Us podcast uploads episodes weekly, and we'll see you next time.